speed with the everyday tasks, patience with the overall goal. Okay, so let's say $100,000 is your goal in 2024. If you're a complete and utter beginner, that is an achievable goal. That is an achievable goal. Are you going to make $1 million in 2024? Probably fucking not. But $100,000, I'm being real, 100%, just being real. Can you make $100,000? Yes, 100%. If you're from any first world country or any kind of like second world-ish country, you have good internet, you have good banking, you are more than able to do this. Doesn't matter if you're 15, doesn't matter if you're 55. Literally doesn't matter. You can make $100,000. First thing you need to understand is speed with the daily tasks and patience with the overall goal. The $100,000 is your actual aim. To be honest, $100,000, whatever. Patience with the overall goal, because at the end of the day, next year is not going to be the only year, right? If you want to just scam your way to $100,000, it's not that hard, okay? If you just want to literally just scam everyone, you can get to $100,000. But then you're going to go to prison, you're going to have bad karma, and shit's just going to go fucking wrong for you in the future, okay? And if you just want to do, say, a bunch of crypto pumps or whatever the fuck, right? You're not really going to learn much from that. You're going to be getting lucky a lot of the times, and you're not actually looking towards the future. If you want to earn 10, 20, $30 million in your life over the, say, next 10 years, right? If you're in your 20s now, that's kind of my goal, right? I want to be worth 30 mil, liquid, high net worth individual, in a very, very good position with my family, blah, blah, all that kind of stuff. But I want to be worth that by the end of my 20s, right? Comfortably by the end of my 20s. So I've got basically 7 years to achieve that, and that's a realistic goal, and I have patience with that goal. I know I'm not going to make $30 million over the next year. I know by the end of 2024, I will not have $30 million liquid cash, unless I do something like absolutely insane. I mean, now that I'm saying that sounds more realistic, but whatever. My point is speed with the daily tasks. So speed with the daily tasks, like pure and utter, ruthless, aggressive speed every single day. Every single day. Like, no matter what, if you really want it, you will do well, okay? If you really want it, you will do well. People ask me about, Craig, what's your motivation? It's like, I want it. And I see other people that want it, and the other people that want it are chilling with me in Dubai, and they're doing incredibly well. They're driving fucking supercars. People that don't want it, I don't see, because they're back in the fucking UK or wherever the fuck, right? So speed with the daily tasks. Write down on the whiteboard and a notepad each and every single evening what your tasks are for the next day. Wake up and do them, and do them quickly, because if you have 5 tasks, maybe you think it's going to take you 5 hours. If you don't actually do them quickly, it might take you 10, and you could have done fucking loads more tasks, okay? But also the more important thing is patience with the overall goal. Don't just always grab quick cash, because you'll never actually make money long term. Maybe you'll make 80K next year, 100K next year, but the year after that, maybe you won't. Maybe you won't make any more money. Maybe you'll make 60K, maybe you'll make 50K, maybe you'll make 100. But you want to continually go up and up and up and up. Obviously, that's based upon your goals, okay?